right, man, let's take a little ride here in a 72 big block Corvette.
Yeah, look at that hood, man.
Yeah.
There's an air cleaner
I
in
can
there.
see in there. No. Well, this is a pretty cool car. It's a real big block type car, but it's been upgraded there with a nice 502 horsepower 502.
Well, crate motor.
Yeah, nice crate motor. Got the Holley carburetor on there, MSD Ignition. You know, it has a tach drive on the helmet, the MSD, and it's got the headers, Frontrunner system. It's got a built-up 400 transmission there.
Pretty sweet. This thing was frame off restored. I mean, you look underneath, everything's polished and clean.
Yeah.
It's got a few miles on it since then, but man, this thing's a runner. That motor's so nice looking under there, which you're going to see in a little bit when we show you the pictures.
Oh yeah, and they even got some, you know, they got rebuilt differential on it, and it's got the 7-leaf Gymkana rear springs, front and rear sway bars, Hydroboost on the brakes. Man, I mean, they did everything to this car. It's got great oil pressure, you can see down there. The clockwork.
You can smell that fuel.
Smell that fuel, that's right. Step on it. Woo. Yeah, man, it's got some torque.
Pretty cool. It used to have like some real long, tall gears in it, you know, for taking off fast, but they changed it so you could drive it on the freeway.
Yeah, that's better. I mean,
so it doesn't have the punch that it used to have, but you can also just take it for a spin now, you know.
Hey, wait, a pedestrian. Can we get?
Let's not get him this time.
Yeah, well, we can get him next time. That's right. Man, you know, and it's a nice looking hugger orange, and you know, it's got the telly wheel, so it's got some nice features in it. It's got a nice stereo in there.
Look at that.
T-tops.
Used to be a 454. Look at that right there, Gary.
Yeah, oh, that's right.
454.
Yeah, 454.
A little bit more than that now.
It's a race car.
Yep.
But it's a Corvette.
It's a Corvette.
All right.
All right, check out this bad boy. 1972 Corvette. It's a big block Corvette. Originally a 454 car, automatic, but now it's got a 502 horsepower crate motor in it. The 502 is awesome, man. It's straight from Chevrolet. It's got aluminum heads, aluminum intake. It's a beast. I mean, it's a lot of torque and reliable. This one's got a lot of updates under the hood too. You know, aluminum radiator, electric fans, Hydroboost brakes, a lot of expensive stuff. This car's probably got 50 grand plus in it, less than a couple thousand miles since it was done. Finish in hugger orange. It's got the LED bubble tail lights back there, nice and bright. You know, coated dual exhaust all the way back. Those killer 8-inch rally wheels with the BF Goodrich TAs. I think those are the best wheels for this car. They just look nice on there. Gives it that classic look. Got the cool 427 style hood on there. All the chrome and trim is in great condition. We'll show you under the hood in a minute, but it's really nice looking under the hood too. You can tell the hours that were spent, and hours add up to money, so, you know, and this one's really priced fair. Go ahead and check out the interior in this thing. I'm not usually a fan of aftermarket or upgraded seats in classic cars, but these really fit nice. These are probably like a 95 series Corvette seat, maybe even newer, but very comfortable. This one's got, you know, the whole dash is like pretty stock looking. It has one of those custom auto sound stereos, Bluetooth. It's got factory tilt telescopic steering wheel. All the gauges and everything work in here, which is pretty cool. Shoot, look at that, man. The clock's even working. Well, for now. Anyhow, T-tops come off, fit in the back. Being a 72, it also has the pop-out rear window and even a little luggage rack on there. It's a really sweet looking muscle car that you can just go and cruise in. All right, here's that beast of a motor in the 72 Corvette. Remember, smog exempt for us California people, which is everything in a car like this. But you can see how much work and detail work was done under this hood. Every nut and bolt. I mean, really, and nobody even got a chance to really use this car yet. But nice detailed up 502 in there. It's got remote reservoir power steering. It's got Hydroboost brakes, which are phenomenal. You don't have to worry about a big camera or anything like that. They stop perfect. It's got the Frontrunner serpentine system. As we mentioned in our ad, it's got air conditioning, but it was never completed, so I think it needs some hoses made. But it's all there, all hooked up, all the switches are inside, you know, all the hard work is done. So probably less than $1,000 to get your AC going again. And up on all the all the stuff for the vacuum operated headlights and wipers all work. It's all been updated. Go around the other side here. Just really clean. You know, real proud to open the hood at a car show with this one. It's got an MSD ignition as well. We're going to go ahead and fire this bad boy up for you. Yeah, pretty sweet, man. Runs nice and cool too. But it's got a nice rapidy sound out the back. Yeah. Pretty sweet sounding Vette. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to visit Gary and I out here at California Cars. Phone number is 818-591-1313. We're in Simi Valley, California. And love to show you the car in person, or if you want some more information on it, just give us a ring. Thanks for watching.